back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. I made Fiona. I'm having so much fun creating these videos for you guys, I'm not gonna lie. Just last month I was feeling very unmotivated and just didn't want to do anything. But when I actually sit down and get to creating, I just let some music play and I just get lost in painting. I'm currently using the Montmartre water-based face and body paints. They have solid colors. So when I want to get a certain shade of color, I have to actually mix them with a bit of water. So it's a bit of hit and miss. You'll probably see throughout the video I was trying really hard to get the color on the skin to match the photo. Try as I might, it was a little bit difficult to get the right hue of green on the skin. So I know Fiona's skin color is a little bit more yellow, but I just couldn't get there. I don't know why, I just could not get the yellow skin to happen. So it is what it is. It's very, very green. I would have liked it more yellow because I mean it'll be more true to color, plus there will be a lot more contrast between the skin and the dress part. But I enjoyed creating the dress. This was fun, I must say. And the hair really just brings everything together, just as it always does. I know Fiona doesn't also have eye makeup, but I wanted to put eye makeup so I'm not just like pasty flat green on the face. I just wanted to jazz it up a little bit. So anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying my body painting Halloween series so far. I really truly hope that you are. If you have any other requests of figures that you would like me to body paint, leave it in the comment section down below. I'm really inspired by you guys' requests. Last week was the Little Mermaid Ariel body paint, and that was very much requested by a lot of you. So I did that one, and this look with Fiona was actually suggested to me by one of my friends, so I created that one too. And so far all my body paintings in this particular series in this month has been Disney characters. So I might continue on that theme. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, I don't know. We'll see how inspiration hits me. But yeah, anyway, thank you for returning to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys want to see how I created this Fiona body paint makeup look, then just keep on watching. well, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the engagement and all the interest that people have had in this month's body painting series and for Halloween, for October, in the month of October. Oh, I forgot to mention, these are actually just little bits of paper. I know they're bright neon green. I probably should have made them more yellow or a dark green, but they're very neon on camera. But yeah, they're just little bits of paper that I twirled up and stuck into the wig, so props on a budget. Probably the most expensive part of this whole makeup look was the wig, but I've used this for multiple makeup looks. If you guys do want to see any more Halloween videos that I've created, I'm going to leave a playlist linked up here and in the description box down below so that you guys can check out all the other Halloween makeup looks that I've done in the past 3 years. So, well, that really does truly conclude this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, like the video if you did like it. I really truly appreciate your time, guys. Thank you so much for spending it with me. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. With me, and I'll see you. I really truly appreciate your time.